As drone technology evolves rapidly, demand for low-altitude security is skyrocketing. LZ Tech's vision is making the sky safer, building comprehensive low-altitude defense solutions. The HDJ 3 handheld anti-drone device integrates detection, precise ID, and effective defense. It rapidly captures and analyzes characteristic info of intruding drones, providing early warning of potential threats, creating a defense loop from ID warning, direction finding to jamming suppression for multi-layered protection, providing solid security for key low-altitude areas. Detection and warning. Smart Situational Awareness Platform with an integrated SmartOS significantly boosts airspace awareness. Operators can view drone flight paths intuitively, precise location, and surrounding geography, aiding in precise defense strategies to effectively control the airspace. Direction Finding Mode. Rapid Drone Signal Direction Finding. It can target unknown drones for rapid direction finding and positioning, providing key guidance for subsequent jamming. Aiming Mode. Precision over-the-horizon targeting. Equipped with real-time target locking and a wide field of view aiming box, enabling users to target distant threats with fast, precise jammings. Dual GPS antenna orientation removes the need for calibration during every use, making direction finding more accurate. Precise control. Add known drones to the whitelist. Other unauthorized drones are tracked with real-time alerts. After locking the drone's bearing, the device auto-selects the jamming frequency. Point the device front at the drone's location. Pull the trigger and counter the unauthorized drone. The control link is cut in seconds. Return or land commands take effect instantly. User interaction. Features a 5.5-inch interactive touchscreen. Uses light, sound, and vibration feedback to adapt to different user scenarios. Clearly understand target detection status and the jamming status. Equipped with quick physical buttons, omni-jamming, and direction finding one-key switch. Modular handle design for disassembly, meeting various transport needs. Dual battery hot swappable design ensures continuous, stable operation. Supports battery swap without powering off, eliminating the risk of defense failure due to battery depletion. Comes standard with a charging dock and 4 replaceable batteries. Charges to 100% in 1 hour, ensuring 24/7 continuous endurance. The handheld detect jam spoof device suits various operational scenarios, provides multiple network supports, and supports the CCS cloud service platform. It offers users an efficient, comprehensive, portable, low-altitude defense solution, providing reliable defense assurance, guarding the last line of low-altitude safety. LZ Tech, making the sky safer.